Welcome, in front of me I have REALME C21 and today I will show you how you can log out from one of your Gmail account. You have to open your Gmail, click that we got it. As you can see, we are logging with two accounts, and if you want to remove one of them, tap on the right upper corner, click to manage accounts on this device, choose Google, pick account that you want to remove. I'm going for the first one. Tap on the right upper corner and click to remove account. Confirm. Right now you have to be patient and just wait a little bit. Right now when you go back, as you can see, we are logging with one account. If you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.